Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Draw. So this would be if you want to highlight a spot. You just use the select. This you can use to just make a standard line. And you can press on it and make all of these. And this you'd use to make a shape, arrow, or any of the other ones. This would be to put in a text box. This would be for an image. This is for the color of the lines. This is for like the thickness of the lines. And this is to make a dash. Go to file. This is to share, make a new one, or bring up an old one. This is to undo or cut, copy, and paste. This is to show a ruler. This is to add also to add an image, text box, or shape. There's not much you can do with this unless you need like a text box. But this is the center on the page. This is for spelling, and this is a help bar. And this is also another way to share. You'd have to give it a title, and then you could email it